Here I'm using perp to tone the hair to about like a platinum color using the watercolor method. I only used about a half a capful. You don't want to overtone the hair or turn it purple. So now that the hair is evenly toned, I'm going to use Arctic Fox Sterling Silver, only because it's going to give me a darker smoky gray without all the possible undertones of purple or blue. So this specific color brand, I love it because it's more like a conditioner. So it's thick and conditions the hair while you're applying the color. So if you notice here, I'm going back through and adding more color and really working it in so that it saturates all of the hair. Again, because this color is really thick. Another pro to using this specific brand is that if the hair that you are using is already lifted to a 613, then the color on the bottle will be an exact match when applied to the hair. Meaning, if you don't want to dilute the color, if you want a pastel color, they actually have those shades readily available. Here, I'm going to use two different brands of Jet Black, Temptation, and Adore. Reason being is because one has a green undertone and the other purple, so they cancel each other out. I'm going to use the watercolor method again for the ends. Coloring this wig only took about an hour, and I'll leave the links to the products in the description below.